to my YouTube channel. It's me, Marie, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do this crochet basic bikini top, be sure to keep on watching. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe down below, press the subscribe button, tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. And I also wanted to let you guys know that I created a Patreon. If you guys are unfamiliar with a Patreon is, it's a way for you guys to financially support me so that I can continue to do what I do by putting out tutorials for you guys. For those who do decide to sign up with Patreon and financially support me, you'll get access to a lot of things that a normal subscriber wouldn't be able to have access to. Do not get me wrong, I'm very thankful for all of you guys, but if you do decide to financially support me, I'm giving back to you guys more with more exclusive deals like free patterns, access to tutorials that other people won't have access to lives, we can chat with each other, whatever you guys need. I'll have all the information in my description box, so be sure to check that out down below. And also, everybody who does decide to become a part of the Patreon, I will be shouting you out at the end of my videos. So I think that's pretty dope. And again, I'm super thankful for all of you guys, because without you guys, I wouldn't be anything. Y'all are allowing me to like live my dream and allowing me to work for myself, which I highly enjoy doing. But without further ado, let's just get into the video. Cue my intro now.
Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She switching up her hair, her makeup stay on fleek. Got croquet on her hips, she never miss a beat. She showing off her style with a new video this week. Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie, Naomi, I'm Marie. Naomi got the drip, you need to come and see. She showing off her style with a new video this week.
So you're going to begin your work with a slip stitch. This is going to differ for everybody depending on what size you plan on to make. So I'll attach a picture in here, but I'm going to start off with chaining 17. So after you have your 17 chains, you're going to block off and chain an additional 2, and then you're going to go back in the 4th chain from the hook and insert a half double crochet. For the remainder of this row, you're going to work a half double crochet in each stitch till you reach the top. So now once you reach the top, you're going to insert another half double crochet into the same stitch. You're going to make a chain of 2 and insert 2 more half double crochets into the same stitch. This is going to help give us the pointy cup. So make sure you do that because that's really important. And then after you do that, you're just going to insert a half double crochet into each stitch till you reach the end of the row. So this is what your first row should look like. After you do this, you're going to chain up 2, and then you're just going to repeat the same thing. Only this time, the chain 2 is not going to count as a half double crochet. You're going to actually insert a half double crochet into the same stitch. So once you reach the top, this part is repetition. You're going to insert 2 half double crochets into the hole at the top, and you're going to chain 2 and insert another 2 half double crochets, and then you're just going to half double crochet down to the end. It's really just repetition, and you're going to repeat this until you reach your desired length to fit your cup size. And like I said, it's really easy. If you are a beginner, I highly suggest that you go back and count your stitches just to make sure that everything's adding up, because you don't want to have too many and you don't want to have less. So make sure you're counting your stitches. So now we're going to be combining the 2 cups together. You're going to chain 1 and insert a single crochet in each stitch on the bottom of the cup. So after you finish, you're going to single crochet your way to the other cup, and this is going to keep them connected. So once you do that, I normally single crochet my ends in as I'm working it, but it's completely optional and up to you. So once you reach the first side, you're gonna make a chain of 100 or however many is up to you. 100's usually good enough for me. Once you've made your chain of 100, you're going to single crochet back into the previous row, and then you're going to continue to single crochet all the way back till you reach the beginning where you started.
Make sure your cell phones are off and your seatbelts are fastened. Welcome to LA.
Looking all around for some faith in. Next thing I knew, I was flying on a plane. We go. Fly, fly, fly for sure. And I really didn't think it would be this hard to breathe you in again. You know.
So once you reach the beginning, you're going to insert 2 single crochets back where you started, and then you're just going to work single crochets in each stitch till you reach the top. And the rest of this is just repetition. This is how you make your straps be attached, and this is how you make it look real cute and neat.
Take a vacay to the west side. Ay, I hear the women we didn't weather make a nigga get it together and show his best side. The type of push a rapper over the edge. I gotta make it out this situation. Know a south side nigga with gratitude for dollar signs where the water's fine. I'll paddle through a sea of people with big dreams who left their hometown for big screens, chasing opportunities that we ain't got where I'm from. Know like Hollywood and places where the greatest had come. Out of the concrete from Oakland to Long Beach to Compton, I seen roses overgrowing and peak. So to take a trip and go and soak it in, yeah, it's necessary. Imagine me on stationary, boy, very scary. Yeah, I guess it's just a segue. I'm about to cop a ticket, say hello to LA.
Phones are off and your seatbelts are fastened. Welcome to LA.
So as you can see, I've completed the top strap for one side, and you just single crochet your way down and you single crochet your way to the other side. It's really easy and really simple. Just think of it as like adding a border. Take a vacay to the west side. Ay, I hear the women we didn't weather make a nigga get it together and show his best side. The type of push a rapper over the edge. I gotta make it out this situation. Know a south side nigga with gratitude for dollar signs where the water's fine. I'll paddle through a sea of people with big dreams who left their hometown for big screens, chasing opportunities that we ain't got where I'm from. Know like Hollywood and places where
Long Beach to Compton, I seen roses overgrowing in peak. So to take a trip and go and soak it in, yeah, it's necessary. Imagine me on stationary, boy, very scary. Yeah, I guess it's just a segue. I'm about to cop a ticket, say hello to LA.
When you reach the end, you're gonna slip stitch to attach it, chain 1, and then cut and fasten off your work. Also be sure to go back and sew in all of your loose ends because you don't want your work looking tacky. I say this all the time.
Good evening, passengers. This is your pilot AB speaking. We are now beginning our descent into LAX. Please make sure your cell phones are off and your seatbelts are fastened. Welcome to LA.
Welcome back. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If it was super helpful for you, comment down below and let me know. Also comment down below and let me know what other tutorials you guys would like to see. I'll be reading my comments. I try to respond as much as I possibly can. And also, if you guys are interested in joining the Patreon and financially supporting me, go ahead and check my description box. And if you do decide not to sign up for the Patreon just because you're like unable to or you just don't want to, that's perfectly fine. I'm still here and I'm here to help you guys as much as I possibly can. And that's gonna be all for this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye.